Good morning, everybody. Myself, Salma Khan from Institute of Foreign Trade and Management, Moradabad, and my co-author, Dr. J. Dominic, is a librarian at Karunia University, Coimbatore. My paper is on the subject use of internet by the faculty members of engineering college at Moradabad. There are two engineering colleges. One is College of Engineering and Technology and another is Moradabad Institute of Technology. The thing is that why we need internet. Internet has become an unavoidable necessity for every institution of higher learning. The engineering and the technical education is important for the development of any country. The engineering colleges are very much in need of the scientific advancement of the country. For making engineering faculty more accomplished and innovative in the workforce, information play a vital role. For accessing information and keeping abreast with the new development, internet is becoming an essential as human need with all these factors. The main objective of the study is to analyze the pattern of the internet use, the internet skill of the professionals, the perceived impact of the internet on their academic efficiencies and problems faced by them by using the internet. The main points are whether these institutions, libraries have established network terminals for the users for the literature search and retrieval on their required problems. Another thing is that whether the new users in their institution is giving hands-on training for the use of internet, email uses, search of information from online journals, various purposes for which the internet is used, various internet services used for teaching, learning and research purpose. A detailed questionnaire was prepared and was circulated among the 50 teachers of CET and MIT. The findings are that majority of the faculty members of MIT are using internet for less than 6 months, whereas the faculty of CET are using for more than 6 months. And the majority of the respondents of CET are using it for more than 6 years, more than 4 years. Majority of the CET respondent, that is 75% are using internet daily and 55% of MITs are using it for 2 to 3 times a week. Most of the faculty members of CET are using internet for 20 hours a week, whereas majority of MITs respondents are using for less than 1 hour a week. Majority of the users of both the colleges are using internet at the workplace. Next thing is that the majority of the respondent of MIT learns internet skills from colleagues, friends and training from the college, whereas the CET respondents are not getting the training, but they are learning from the self-instructions and from their friends. Majority of the CET faculty is using internet for research purpose, and whereas the MITs are using for the education and for their classwork teaching. Most of the respondents are using WW services, and next is to it is email service. Respondent of both the colleges faces the problem of slow speed, internet access speed, and too long to view, download and pages. Search engine is used for browsing information from the internet. All are of the views that internet is more informative, time-saving and useful. Majority of the respondents are in favor that use of the conventional document will decrease. Most of the respondents of MITs are least satisfied with the speed, whereas the 50% of CET respondents are least satisfied. Only 50% of the respondents of CET are in favor of that internet can replace library, and only 20% of MITs are in favor that it cannot be replaced. Majority favor that internet can replace library. My conclusion is the study helps us in identifying the areas which has to be looked in and give better internet services to the faculty members of both the colleges. Speed of the internet should be increased in both the colleges. Use of the conventional document is decreasing and dependency of internet is increasing. It expedites the research process and also improve the professional competencies. Thank you. Thanks. Any questions?
I have a one. Yes. It is very surprising that one finding is that internet can replace library.
That is the last sentence of the presentation. That's the most important sentence.
Although it is back, you cannot do anything that your questionnaires replies, but in no way it is true. It cannot be. next.
Actually, this is the response which I received from the
Yeah.
members.
That's
But it was a question. A question was there whether the library can internet can be replaced by the library. So they were in favor that yes, because they don't want to come to the library, they are getting everything on the decks over there. So why they will take the risk of coming to the library? This is the thing.
I would like you to again go back to that session because that's really very, very.
I would like to add one more thing in continuation to your that keynote presentation, and one question asked that how to attract the readers to the library. I am at Agriculture University College. We have done so much surveys, and our is a ISO certified library. So I have seen that the number of visitors to the library has increasing so fast. But the number of library visitors, virtual library visitors, they are increasing very much. So actually it is the thing that how many times
It's work.
the thing is that how your library, how your resources are being used. So our resources are being used very much. We are keeping track through the person logged in to our website or e-resources. So it hardly matters whether persons are visiting the library or not. The thing is that how many times your library resources are being used. So I mean it's a very vague finding that encourage and replace the library. Although it is that purpose.
No, the thing is that, Nabi, so I would like to tell you one thing. The thing is that people in our colleges, mostly the engineering colleges and that is the private financing colleges, the people of they come prepared with the lecture, they get it downloaded from the net, and just they come and dictate it. That is the findings of the internet by the faculty members. I'm not talking about our
I agree with you. It is not your.
only the thing is that I'm talking about the